Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going through continuation of example and related exercise 5.2. Okay, I'm moving through example 5.16 question. Find the equation of the parabola with vertex minus 1 comma minus 2 axis parallel to y axis and passing through points also 3 comma 6 is there. So first what we have to do, we have to identify this is which type of parabola, whether open upward or downward, as well as right side or left side. Given condition 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. There 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The main condition with vertex minus 1 and minus 2. Center actually given, okay. It's not a center 0, comma 0. That is given minus 1, comma minus 2. Here will come. This is minus 1, comma minus 2. Next condition 3, comma 6. So 3, comma 6 means point will be 2. So this is simply we can say this is called which type? Open upward. Okay, so solution, this is, it is open upward. It is open upward. So open upward means condition x square is equal to 4ay. Open downward means what is the meaning? X square is equal to minus 4ay. So now center given, center h comma k is equal to value minus 1 comma minus 2. This is called h, this is called k. So how to expand the line? X minus h the whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. Now x h value minus, already minus, here also minus, therefore minus into minus plus. So we can write it x plus 1 the whole square is equal to then 4a into, here also minus, then common minuses, so y plus 2. First we have to identify what is the value of a. So how to find out the passing through the point? This is considered for equation number 1. So passing through points 3 comma 6, isn't it? So 3 comma 6, look at there, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6. What will happen? 3 plus 1 the whole square is equal to 4a into 6 plus 2. 3 plus 1 the whole square means 4 square is equal to 4a into 6 plus 2 means 8. 4 square means 16 is equal to 8 4s are 32a. Therefore we need through the value of a. Therefore a is equal to 16 divided by 32 means value will be 1 by 2. After getting the a value, therefore we can write it a is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute equation number 1. What is the equation? X plus 1 the whole square is equal to 4 into a value just now we found 1 by 2 into y plus 2. Now 4 and 2 cancel means 2 times. Next what we have to do? So condition, look at there, x plus 1 means a plus b the whole square. Therefore x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to, opposite side 2 balances there, true of y plus 2, isn't it? Now, so x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to, if you remove the bracket means 2 into y, true y, plus 2 into 2 means 4. Then starting x square plus 2x plus 2y bring out opposite sign means minus 2y. Then plus 1 plus 4 bring out opposite side means minus 4. Final answer, required line x square plus 2x minus 2y plus 1 minus 4 means minus 3 is equal to 0. This is our required equation. Okay. So 5.16 final answer, x square plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. I will continue the next question. Please stay on the line. Moving to example 5.17 question. Find the vertex, focus, directrix and length of the lattice rectum of the parabola. Condition solution x square minus 4x minus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. Actually this is original, this is actually example 5.19. okay, check it in your book, you will get it clear idea. So x square minus 4x minus 5y minus 1. So this is starting which is square, this is called x square. Simply we can say this is what the type of parabola, open upward. Why? X square value is there. So x square means we have to grouping x square, keep it in left hand side. X square minus 4x is equal to positive 5y then positive 1. Then we have to apply completing square. Last year you have studied thoroughly. Completing square means what is the meaning? Example x square plus 5x plus 3 is there. Completing square means x then plus 5 half of 5. Half of 5 means what is the meaning? 5 by 2 the whole square, outside whatever the number, but you have to take the common minus. Minus 5 by 2 the whole square means what is the value? 25 by 4 will come. Then plus 3. This is called completing square. So this is for your understanding. Okay, completing square method you have to apply. So here what will happen? So x half of 4 means definitely we can say true will come. So x minus true the whole square, then minus square of true. What is the meaning? Square of true means 4 will come, is equal to 5y plus 1. Now x minus true the whole square is equal to 5y plus 1. Minus 4 bring it opposite side means a positive 4. Again x minus true the whole square is equal to 5y plus 5. Now next step, x minus true the whole square is equal to 5 take common outside means y plus 1. Look at there. So this is simply we can say x square is equal to 4ay form, isn't it? So now let consider for x dash, consider for x minus true, as well as y dash consider for y plus 1. What will happen? Therefore x is equal to x dash plus true will come, as well as y is equal to y dash minus 1. So apply true, x minus 2 consider for x dash means what will happen? X dash the whole square is equal to 5 into y dash. This is, what is the meaning? What is the type? It is open upward. It is open upward. So open upward means what is the meaning? X square is equal to 4ay. Therefore 4a is equal to what is the value? 5. So 4a is equal to 5 means simply we can say a is equal to 5 by 4. Now we have to draw, how to make one truth table, then only you will get a clear idea. The first step, so now the condition, this is referred to x dash and y dash. The next column x comma y. What is the meaning? X is equal to what is the meaning? X dash plus true. X dash plus true. What is the meaning? Y is equal to y dash minus 1. Y dash minus 1. So first one, what we have to find out? Vertex, isn't it? So vertex 0 comma 0 means, so x dash is equal to 0 as well as y dash also is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 0 plus true and y is equal to 0 minus 1. Therefore vertex of the line true comma minus 1. The next condition, this is true comma minus 1. Next one, focus we need, isn't it? Focus means already you know this is called x square is equal to 4ay. X is equal to 4ay means simply we can say 0 comma x value will be 0. Therefore focus means 0 comma a. 0 comma a means already we found a is equal to what is the value? 5 by 4. So therefore 0 comma 5 by 4. Now you can apply x is equal to 0 plus true, then y is equal to 5 by 4 minus 1. So 5 by 4 minus 1 means 5 by 4 minus 1. Therefore 5 minus 4 divided by 4 value will be 1 by 4. So therefore y is equal to 1 by 4. Then we can say the focus of the point is 2 comma 1 by 4. Next step, direct trace, isn't it? So direct trace Direct trace means what is the meaning? Opposite sign 0 comma a means we can write it 0 comma, not 0 comma also. So only we can, positive a means we can write it negative a. Negative a means what is the meaning? Negative 5 by 4 will come. Then you have to apply in the y term. Y is equal to, already we know y is equal to, what is the meaning? Y dash minus 1. So y dash means, what is the meaning? The y value, y dash means negative 5 by 4 is. Therefore we can write it negative 5 by 4 negative 1 means y is equal to negative 5 minus 1 into 4 means minus 4 divided by 4. Therefore y is equal to negative 9 by 4, or we can write it cross multiply means 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is a direct trace. Okay, 4y plus 9. Now the last point we have to find out length of latus rectum. So length of latus rectum already we know 4a. Already we know the 4a is equal to, what is the value? 4a means value will be 5, isn't it? The 4a is equal to 5. This is one of the important step. Okay. Now I am moving to drawing the diagram. So open upward, isn't it? So open upward means, look at there. The vertex of the point actually 0 comma minus 1, sorry 2 comma minus 1. This is vertex of 2 comma minus 1 means focus S means what is the value? 2 comma 1 by 4. 2 comma 1 by 4. Then direct trace. So direct trace already we know y is equal to, what is the value? Negative 9 by 4. This is called negative side, no? Therefore we can write it y is equal to negative 9 by 4. Now the last one, center, we have to find out. Center means this is called positive 2 means definitely 1 will come here. So where meeting the axis point, x axis will be 0 means that is called y. This is what is the point actually y. The next one, this is minus 1 means simply down. Down means this is minus 1, simply we can say this is called 0 term will come. This is y axis 0 means this is what is the name? Point of x. This is, we can say, center. Therefore center is equal to 0 comma 0. Okay, each and every points I have proved. So please listen, my dear students. Very easy concept. First what we have to do, if you know the completing square method, definitely you will get it. X square is equal to 4ay or x is equal to minus 4ay. So x square is equal to 4a means that is what the type of parabola? Open upward. Sometimes y square is equal to 4ax means that is right side open, but negative means left side, isn't it? So I will continue the next example. Okay. Example 5.20 question, find the equation of ellipse with the foci and vertex points is there. The ellipse diagram. Now the foci means S and S dash, vertices means A and A dash, isn't it? So vertices given 3 comma 0, opposite side means minus 3 comma 0. Foci, positive side 2 comma 0, opposite side minus 2 comma 0. Definitely we can say the center actually 0 comma 0, the midpoint, because 3 minus 3 will be 0. 0 divided by x1 plus x2 divided by 2. How to find out the midpoint? X1 plus x2 by 2 means both side plus or minus value. So 3 minus 3 means 0. 0 divided by 2 means value will be 0. Therefore center called 0 comma 0. This is called x and this is called y. So now moving to find out the x, to find out the equation of ellipse, isn't it? The given condition, solution. First S, first we have tried it. S means the foci value 2 comma 0 and S dash means minus 2 comma 0, as well as A means positive 3 comma 0 and A dash means minus 3 comma 0. First length of the lattice value S dash, isn't it? So S dash means distance always negative value also convert for positive. Positive means S dash means what is the meaning? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then what is the meaning of A dash? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Already we know the foci. Whenever we have discussed in the concept term, foci means consider for AE comma 0. So AE here whenever using the problem, A value will be equal to C, isn't it? C means one side C means opposite side also another one C. Therefore, true C is equal to 4 means C is equal to 4 by 2. Therefore, C value will be true. Then already we know vertices means what is the meaning? A comma 0. So, A comma 0 means we can take it true A is equal to 6 means A is equal to 6 by 2. Therefore, A is equal to 3. After getting A and C value, what we have to do? We can apply B square, because equation of ellipse means what is the meaning? X square by A square plus Y square by B square is equal to 1. Sometimes denominator value it's more than B means we have tried it X square by A square plus Y square by B square, but condition this is actually major axis, isn't it? So we can write it major axis along with the X axis, major axis along with X axis. So along with X axis means condition X square by A square plus Y square by B square is equal to 1. A always greater than B means. Therefore, X square A square is equal to A is equal to what is the value? 3. 3 square means we can write it 9. Then we need to find out B square. B square means definitely value will be A square minus C square. So A square minus C square means B square is equal to A value 3 square, C value 9, true square. Therefore, 3 square means 9, true square means 4. Therefore, B square is equal to 5. Therefore, X square divided by 9 plus Y square divided by 5 is equal to 1. This is our required equation of ellipse. Okay. I will continue the next problem. So, moving to example 5.2, one question, find the equation of ellipse is eccentricity. The given value eccentricity means E, isn't it? Solution, E is equal to 1 by 2. The next one of the foci. Foci means S means 2 comma 3. Then directories given condition X is equal to 7 means X minus 7 equal to 0. Then point consider for X comma Y. What is the general term for ellipse actually? SP divided by PM is equal to E. Therefore, SP is equal to E into PM. Cross squaring on both sides means SP square is equal to E square into PM square, isn't it? Now, SP square means first distance between S to P. So, we can write it X minus 2 the whole square and Y minus 3 the whole square is equal to E square means 1 by 2 the whole square. We can write it 1 by 4. Again, PM square means directories point. Directories means X minus 7 divided by square root of coefficient of X means only 1 is there, the whole square. Again, A minus B the whole square form X square plus 4 minus 4x, isn't it? Minus 4x. Next condition plus Y square minus 6y plus 9 then is equal to 1 by 4. Inside denominator square root of 1 means value will be 1. X minus 7 the whole square means X square then minus 14x plus 49. There, look at there, minus 4x minus 6y is there. Now 1 by 4 is this, cross multiply means 4 into x square minus 4x plus 4 then plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to x square minus 14x plus 49. Each and every time into 4 means 4x square minus 16x, 4 into 4 means plus 16, then plus 4y square, 6 into 4 means minus 24y, 9 4s are 36, plus 36 is equal to x square minus 14x plus 49. So now the condition 4x square, isn't it? 4x square. So plus x square, otherwise. So plus x square bring it opposite side means minus x square. Minus 14x bring it opposite side means positive 14x plus 49 bring out opposite sign means minus 49 is equal to 0. Now check it, 4x square minus x square, we can write it 3x square, then minus 16x plus 14x minus 2x, then plus 4y square, then minus 24y, then constant plus 16 plus 36. 36 plus 6 is equal to 42. 42 plus 10 means 52, isn't it? So plus 52 minus 49 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3x square minus 2x plus 4y square minus 24y plus 52 minus 49 means positive 3 is equal to 0. So 3 take common outside means x square minus 2 by 3 into x. Then plus 4 take common outside means y square minus 6y, plus 3 bring out opposite sign means minus 3. Again we have to apply completing square. Completing square means 3 into x minus 1 by 3 the whole square minus 1 by 9. Then plus 4 into here y minus half of 6 means y minus 3 the whole square minus 9 is equal to minus 3. Again each and every time into 3 means 3 into x minus 1 by 3 the whole square minus 3 by 9. Again plus 4 into y minus 3 the whole square minus 9 into 4 means minus 36 is equal to 3. Now 3 and 9 cancel means 1 by 3. Therefore 3 into x minus 1 by 3 the whole square, then plus 4 into y minus 3 the whole square is equal to minus 1 by 3 bring out opposite side means positive 1 by 3, minus 36 bring out opposite side means positive 36. Again there is minus 3, isn't it? So minus 3, isn't it? So 3 into x minus 1 by 3 the whole square, then plus 4 into y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 36 minus 3 means 33, isn't it? 33 plus 1 by 3. Again 3 into x minus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 4 into y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 33 into 3 means 99. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100 by 3. So equation of ellipse general term x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So each and every time divided by 100 by 3 means opposite side directly value will be 1. So what we have to do, divided by 100 by 3 means, so 3 into x minus 1 by 3 the whole square divided by 100 by 3, then plus 4 into y minus 3 the whole square divided by 100 by 3 is equal to 1. Again denominator value 3 into 3 means 9 will come. Therefore x minus 1 by 3 the whole square divided by 100 by 9. Next condition, y minus 3 the whole square, 3 into 4 means 100 by 12 is equal to 1. Now you have to check it, which one is greater. So definitely we can say denominator less than value, that is a decreasing value means that is higher value. Example, so 10 is there, 10 divided by 2 means value will be 5, as well as 10 divided by 5 means value will be 2. So what I am saying, for example, denominator less than value means value will be higher. Therefore we can write it x minus 1 by 3 the whole square divided by 100 by 9 plus y minus 3 the whole square divided by 100 by 12 is equal to 1 means we can write it a square is equal to 100 by 9, then b square is equal to 100 by 12. Therefore a is equal to square root of 100 by 9 means simply we can say 10 by 3. But b square means b is equal to square root of 100 by 12 means b is equal to 10 by square root of 12 means we can split it 4 into 3. So 4 into 3 means value will be 2 root 3. So 2 10 cancel means 5. Therefore b value 5 by root 3. After getting a and b value, what we need? Length of, also find the length of major and minor axis. So first I am moving to major axis formula 2a and minor axis formula 2b, isn't it? So major axis equal to 2a. So major axis equal to 2a means 2 into a value 10 by 3. Therefore answer will be 20 by 3. Then minor axis means minor axis equal to 2b, that is called 2 into 5 by root 3, that is 10 by root 3. This is answer for example 5.21. I will continue the next example. Moving to example 5.22 question, find the foci, vertices and length of the major and minor axis of the conic. So question solution, what is the question? 4x square plus 36y square plus 40x minus 288y plus 532 is equal to 0. 4 type is there. You can say it's not a circle. Why? Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square is equal to means we can say it's circle. Definitely there is 36 is there, 4 is there. It's not equal. Therefore we can say it is not a circle. Then parabola 4 type is there. Definitely one part only square. So whether x square or y square, only one part is square of the term means we can say it is parabola. But here both side x square also is there, y square also is there. Therefore we can say it is not a parabola. So remaining two part is there, whatever the name, ellipse and hyperbola. Ellipse means what is the meaning? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Second condition, this is called ellipse, isn't it? Then hyperbola means minus y square by b square. That is called hyperbola. So we have to find out which one. Okay. So first what we have to do? First we are to grouping x family. X family means 4x square plus 40x. Then y family means 36y square minus 288y plus 532. Bring out opposite side means positive 532. Now negative 532. So x 4 take common outside means x square plus 10x. 36 take common outside means y square minus how many times? I think 16 times. 8 times. Okay, 36 into 8 means 8 6 are 48, 4, 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 4 means 288. How many times? 8y is equal to minus 532. Again what we have to do? Completing square. Completing square means 4 of x plus half of 10 means x plus 5 the whole square minus 25. Next condition, plus 36 means y minus half of 8 means 4. Y minus 4 the whole square minus 16 is equal to minus 532. Again each and every time into 4 means 4 into x plus 5 the whole square. Then x plus 5 the whole square, 25 into 4 means minus 100. Again plus 36 into y minus 4 the whole square, 16 into 36. So 36 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 will come 3, 6 and 18, 18 plus 6 is equal to 24, 24 plus 3 is equal to 27, 7 will come true, 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 5, 576, but minus is equal to minus 532. Again 4 into x plus 5 the whole square, again 36 into y minus 4 the whole square, minus 100 minus 576, we can say minus 676. So minus 676, bring out opposite side means positive 676. Already we have in right hand side minus 532. So simplify means what the value will come? 144 I think. So this is actually 676, isn't it? So 676, 532. Minus means 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 144, isn't it? Therefore, 4 into x plus 5 the whole square plus 36 into y minus 4 the whole square is equal to positive 144. Now, each and every time divided by 144 means what will happen? 144 means x plus 5 the whole square, 4 into divided by 144, then plus 36 into y minus 4 the whole square divided by 144. 144 divided by 144 means value will be 1. So, cancel means how many times? Fourth table means 4 4s are 3 4s are 12. Then 24 means 36. There 36 and 144 means 4 times, isn't it? So 36 into 4, isn't it? Look, check it there. 36 into 4, 6 are 24. 4, 2, 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 4. How many times? 4 times, isn't it? Now after cancellation, value will be, so x plus 5 the whole square divided by 36 plus y minus 4 the whole square divided by 4 is equal positive. Positive means simply we can say this is called the ellipse. What is the general term? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore, we can say a square is equal to 36 as well as b square is equal to 4. Therefore, square root of 36 means a value will be 6. Square root of 4 means b value will be true. Now, we can say a length of major axis. So, length of major axis is equal to true a means we can say true into a value 6 is there, isn't it? So, 2 into 6 means value will be 12. Then length of minor axis. So, length of minor axis is equal to true b. Value will be true into true. So, value will be 4. After getting, then we need foci vertices, isn't it? Foci vertices and length of major and minor is over. Foci and vertices we need, isn't it? So, foci, consider for this is x dash means let x dash is equal to x plus 5 as well as y dash is equal to y minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to x dash minus 5, then y is equal to y dash plus 4. Now, this is instead of x dash x plus 5 means we can write it x dash the whole square divided by 36 plus y dash divided by 4 is equal to 1. So, now what we have to do? So, a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 2 is there. So, we need actually first we have to find out AE also. AE means definitely we can say C is equal to foci means actually the condition for foci means what is the meaning? AE comma 0. So, AE consider for C means C is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore, C is equal to what is the value? A square means 36 minus b square means 4. Therefore, C is equal to 32 means this is C square. C square is equal to a square minus b square means again C square is equal to 32 means C is equal to square root of 32 means we can write it 16 into 2, isn't it? 16 into 2 means we can say C is equal to 4 root 2. Already we know C means foci, therefore we can say A is equal to 4 root 2. So, A value, what is the value? A is equal to 6, isn't it? Then B is equal to true. Now, so refer to x dash and y dash and refer to x comma y. So x comma y means x is equal to, what is the meaning? X dash minus 5. Then y is equal to y dash plus 4. The first one foci, isn't it? Foci means plus or minus ae comma 0. So plus or minus ae comma 0 means plus or minus, what is the value of ae? Plus or minus 4 root 2 comma 0 means foci condition for s and s dash. So positive means 4 root 2 comma 0, s dash means minus 4 root 2 comma 0. Apply there. The refer to x comma y means x is equal to, that is s, positive value. X is equal to x dash. X dash means what is the value? Actually this is x dash means positive 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 then minus 5. Then already we know y value, what is the value? Y dash plus 4. Y dash means already we know the condition will be 0, isn't it? So 0 means 0 plus 4. So therefore the s of the value, x of the term, definitely 4 root 2 minus 5 comma 0. 0 plus 4 means only 4 will come, isn't it? The next condition, s dash means minus 4 root 2 minus 4 root 2 minus 5 comma positive 4, isn't it? Next condition also, because y value will be 0. Next one we need vertices, isn't it? Vertices means a comma 0. A comma a is equal to, what is the value? 6. So plus or minus 6 comma 0. So capital A means positive 6 comma 0. Then a dash means negative 6 comma 0. This is x dash and y dash. Therefore a is equal to, x dash is equal to positive 6 means 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Y value already 0. 0 plus 4 means 0. Sorry, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 will come. Therefore a value 1 comma 4 in vertices. Then a dash means minus 6. So minus 6 minus 5 means minus 11 will come. Then 0 plus 4 means 4 will come. So a means 1 comma 4, a dash means minus 11 comma positive 4. This is answer for vertices. Okay. So please listen, my dear students. I hope you are satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts also. Okay. I will continue the next session. Bye bye.